Hi everyone, I'm from Regrob.com and in today's video we are at Purvankara Sunflower project which is located in Rajajinagar Bangalore. Here you can take a view of main connecting road which is Magadi Road, and this project is very much near to metro connectivity. The project is spread over 2.43 acres of land and carries 4 number of towers with 20 number of floors each. The project total comprises of 326 numbers of units. It has 80% open area. And now we are heading towards the swimming pool. So from here you can take the view of swimming pool. And this is the exterior view of clubhouse. This project is well equipped with all the modern amenities for the comfort of the residents. And now we'll give you the interior view of a 2 BHK actual apartment. So this we have entered into the spacious living room. And from here you can take the view of city. Now this is the view of an open kitchen with separate covered utility area. Here is the common washroom of this 2 BHK flat. And this is the view of first bedroom with a large window. The spacious bedroom with an attached washroom. And now we have entered into second bedroom of this flat. All the rooms are skillfully designed. So this we have given you the interior view of a 2 BHK actual apartment. And now we'll give you the interior view of a 3 BHK actual apartment. It's an unfurnished apartment. So friends, this we have entered into the living room. Over here you can see the dining area, and this is the view of an open kitchen. This is the separate utility area, the covered utility area. And now we have entered into first bedroom of this flat. Here is the second bedroom with an attached washroom. And here comes the third bedroom. So this is the outside view from the 14th floor. And this is the view of an attached washroom with this bedroom. And here is the common washroom. So friends, in this video, we have shown you the interior view of a 3 BHK actual apartment of Purvankara Sunflower. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, you can call us at the number given in the description. Thank you.